Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. Today we are in the Hidden Valley area of Kitchener. We're doing some tile and grout restoration, we're doing some showers, and I just wanted to take you through and show you some services that you might need and show you what we're doing today. So I'm just going to flip the camera. So first thing we did was stripped out this shower. We did a severe mold treatment on it. We stripped out all the silicone and re-siliconed it. Then we color sealed all of the grout to a charcoal on the walls, and then we did a black on the floor. So that shower has been completely restored. Then we also did the sinks and just siliconed, stripped out and siliconed the sinks as well to make sure that no moisture gets up underneath, because that can cause mold. Let me take you through the rest of the place. And we used our 12-step grout restoration process in the kitchen here. We moved the appliances and restored the grout in the kitchen. We also did the laundry room. Got in a walk-in closet there. We did this bathroom as well. Restored it all. We also did this shower. Same thing in the other shower. So we did strip it all, did a complete mold microbial treatment, took out all of the silicone, re-siliconed everything, and restored the bathroom floor. And then we did the guest bathroom as well. And then the front entrance with the closet right here as well. If you live in the Hidden Valley or anywhere in Kitchener for that matter, keep in mind Carmichael Cleaning can get it all done for you. We specialize in natural stone, granite, countertops, showers, mold removal, grout color restoration, tile and grout cleaning, carpet and upholstery cleaning. Give us a call today at 519-208-8533. Thank you.